Hello, I'm Bill Witherell, Chief Global Economist at Cumberland Advisors. We've been experiencing a number of significant changes in exchange rates, currencies, in the last several years. One of the main causes has been the very strong US dollar. We have been looking at the economic effects of these changes, particularly the effect on the net exports of a country, its trade balance, due to a declining currency, a weakening currency. We economists would expect that the initial effect of a currency depreciation on the trade balance of a country would be negative. The exports take a while to adjust to the new situation. Contracts have to be changed. On the other hand, imports, the value of imports in the domestic currency, or the cost, I should say, goes up immediately with the currency depreciation. So you get a negative effect at first, then eventually the positive effects of a depreciation, particularly on exports, are expected to come into play, and the trade balance should improve. So what we see typically is a J pattern of the trade balance, first a decline and then a rise. They call that the J curve. While we applied this theory to analyze the situation in Japan, where the currency has depreciated some 30% since October of 2012. We see that the initial effects have been negative on the trade balance. We've had negative trade balance numbers all the way from October through of 2012 through the late last year, and then we saw the improvements start to take place in net exports. We think that that will continue, but some of the factors that caused it to be so slow in happening are still in effect. Japanese exporters have not chosen to try to increase their market share due to that they could do because of the weaker currency. Instead, they have taken higher profits that they get from existing contracts and hesitated in increasing capacity, the investment that would be required. And this has been negative, well, it has not been helpful for workers in Japan. It's not been helpful to consumption demand in Japan. But it has been positive for Japanese equities. But we expect that their exports will improve, but it will be fairly modest. And if the Japanese authorities really want to get their economy achieving a sustainable growth path, they really should move forward on their structural reforms that they have promised but have yet to deliver. Thank you.